wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn TatLO. Section 1, your weight is going to be split between both feet, so your feet will be together. We're going to hop both feet to the right, hop both feet to the left. Now when you do these hops, you can kind of do them as big as you would like. You can put your hands up, have a good time as your own style. From here, we're going to step back with our right foot, hit your left knee up. Step back with your left, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we hitch our right knee up to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to walk our right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Your feet are together, you're hopping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right behind our left. You're going to quickly step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Quickly step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. You're going to unwind a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side, hit your left knee up, and then do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just rock, recover. You're going to cross your right behind your left. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do hopping steps forward. So we're going to hop forward onto our right foot. You can kind of bring that opposite toe into the foot that you're hopping with. So we're hopping onto our right, bringing that left toe in. Hop onto your left, bring your right toe in. Hop onto your right, bring your left toe in. And then we're going to hop back onto our left and bring your right toe in. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, doing a big step to the right and dragging your left foot into your right. And then we're going to cross our left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. And you'll end the section facing 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your hopping steps forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to kick our right foot forward, but when you do this, we want it to be slightly pointed down and inward. So you're going to kick your right foot inward towards your left, down towards the floor, hit your right knee up and step down onto your right. You're now going to kick your left foot forward and slightly to the right at a downward angle, hit your left knee up and step your left next to your right. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then step together with your left. Your weight will be split and you'll be ready to go back into your hops. So let's try that with some counts. We just crossed over, you're going to kick your right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your hop. So it's hop right, hop left, step back, hitch, back, quarter hitch, side rock, recover. Behind, side, behind, ball across, half unwind, point, hitch, coaster, step. Hop step with the right, left, right, go, backward, drag, behind, side, cross, inward, kick, hitch, step, step, half pivot, quarter, together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on both feet, you're hopping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on both feet, starting with your hop to the right. So it's hop right, hop left, step back, hitch, back, quarter hitch, side rock, recover, behind, side, behind, ball, cross, half unwind, point, hitch, coaster, step, hop, step, right, left, right, go, backward, drag, behind, side, cross, kick, hitch, step, step, half pivot, quarter together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop right, left, back, hitch, back, quarter, hitch, side, rock, recover. Behind, side, behind, ball, cross, half and one, point, hitch, coaster, step, hop, step, right, left, go back, quarter, drag, behind, side, cross, kick, hitch, step, step, half, pivot, quarter, together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn TatLO. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Turn all the lights on. Take off the shoes. Ain't nobody gonna see nothing. Bring out the booze. Let the girls stop front, I ain't got nothing to lose. And I ain't gotta go to work no more. Fuck that place, my boss. I'm about to ball, care what it costs, I'm going hard. I need some lights, it's way too dark. Oh yeah, I'm going in. And now I'm with my friends. Let the party begin. Turn all the lights on. Turn all the lights on. Put your hands up if you're going hard. I need some lights, it's way too dark. Oh yeah, I'm going in. Okay, I'm with my friends. Let the party begin. Turn all the lights on.
Give me that glass, little bit of ice, pour that red in there. This must be her soul dancing like nobody else in here. Sexy and she wanna be and she gets next close to me. I said, please excuse you stepping on expensive shoes. Shawty is a perfect 10. Everybody made you sing. The way you get it is. Come over here and shake it for a gentleman. Let you go in.
I need some lights, it's way too dark. Oh yeah, I'm going in. And now I'm with my friends. Let the party begin. Turn all the lights on. Turn all the lights on. Put your hands up if you're going hard. I need some lights, it's way too dark. Oh yeah, I'm going in. Okay, I'm with my friends. Let the party begin. Turn all the lights on.
I'm drinking something, I'm touching something.